Yo, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Now today it's gonna be a pretty neat video for y'all. So we actually live on this property to where there's like a big walkway behind this property. There's a creek that runs through it, and there's a walkway that goes through. There's a little bridge that goes over the creek, and there's been this big old tree down on the ground, like interfering with the walkway, and it's just kind of hazardous, kind of sketchy. So you know, we feel kind of obligated because you know we have this business, and you know we're trying to help everyone out, help the city out. We're gonna bring the old John Deere here, bring a chainsaw, and hopefully go down there and take this tree off, and you know everyone will be happy. Okay, so here's the walkway. This goes all the way out to a little opening to where the like main road is. You come here, boom, big old tree that got knocked over in some storm off of this guy right here. Has been laying right here for so long, and yeah, people ride their bikes through here and everything. So we're just gonna get it out of the way because why not? Basically what we're probably gonna do, chop these up a little so this tree falls, and then we'll probably just push all of this with the tractor probably into just the greenery back there. And there's nothing back there at all, guys. It's literally just that and then to a creek, so it's gonna be perfectly fine us putting it back there and everything. Push right there. Push that branch? Yeah. in a sketchy situation right now. The chainsaw's stuck in the tree, and we need to get the tree moved in a certain direction so we can pull the chainsaw out. So we're hoping we can just pull this whole pile and it'll just pull the tree apart. We're almost all the way through the tree. It's just at the point where the tree is just pinching the chainsaw. So wish us luck.
You want to be ready to grab that, but just watch up above you. Success.
Oh yeah.
Probably loosen that chain up.
Oh yeah, I did. Look at that. Little old 1025. Probably pulling, I don't know, at least 2,000 pounds. At least. Maybe close to like 4 or 5, to be honest. And yeah, now we just got to get this guy out of the way after we do something with this. Probably it's already looking so much better back here. Awesome, good job, Parker. Good job.
That's good. Probably gonna push it right over here into this tree line. Should be able to make it now in between all these trees right here.
Okay, so we got that big branch out of the way. Now all we have is the rest of this going up into this tree. Now if you listen carefully, which I don't know if you can, it is starting to rain. So that means we need to hurry up. So we're gonna get this tractor and probably try a few different things here. Probably try to break it up, cut it up, and get to moving this thing out of the way so everyone can walk here real easy, real nice, without driving their bike straight into the tree. Let's get it. All right, we're about to hook the chain up. It's really starting to rain right now, guys. Oh, it's pouring. No, it is literally pouring. Oh my God, this is bad. This is so bad. I'm trying to stand under a tree. Oh my God, this is like worst case scenario. We're literally out here trying to help and this happens. That's about right. All right, guys, we have resorted to filming on the GoPro for this. It is literally pouring. I don't know if y'all can tell, but we got to get this done. And
hopefully it's not too muddy.
Yeah, hopefully it's not too muddy and we don't start spinning out like crazy. Let's try to bring this bad boy down. Let's go, John Deere. Spinning out. Oh yeah! Woo! Heck yeah, dude! You're spinning out. Keep it going, keep it going. Look at that big old Mondo right there. We've been wanting to do this for so long. Oh my God, it's so much more open. Holy cow. All right, I guess it's time to push this bad boy out of the way. Take this chain off. Heck yeah, dude. We've been wanting to do that for so long. You wanna push it in there? Oh, sure, yeah. I'll just soak up the water out and see what happens. Look at this boy Parker out here, wet. So wet. Wow. All right, I'm gonna get this thing moved.
Try to push on this over here a little more. Crush this right here in.
All right, boys, and just like that, we got it all cleared out. We even back drug the front end loader and made it a little bit better of a path. So I know we're excited, and I know the city's gonna be excited because we did some of the work for free, basically. Or actually, it was for free. We just did this just because. So yeah, this trail goes all the way around this little bridge there, and then it goes out to like some soccer fields. Yep, you go up there, it goes to the road. But other than that, we got it all done. But other than that, guys, hopefully you did enjoy. If you did, make sure to drop a like if you haven't already. Subscribe if you're new. Comment down below more things you want to see us do, whether it's for free, whether it's something like this, whatever it is, comment it down below. Subscribe if you're new, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace out.